Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus broke a tile in a drop test. This test is circulating in Chinese social networks and definitely shows how rigid this device is, although it did not come out completely unscathed. In fact, in this same video, you can see that it was a little bit hurt in that corner that hit the tile directly, but the tile was hurt more. Although I would have liked them to throw another device on another similar slab to see what would be the behavior, since in this case Huawei is debuting a new basalt structure for the frame that is said to be much more resistant, in addition to new technology in the back and front cover. But as I tell you, we don't have any other reference in this same test. Also, this tile was individually on a carpet. So I think it was to be expected that the tile would break, although we could have also expected that the device suffered more damage and just got hurt from the corner. This same video test sanding the iPhone's titanium frames against this new Huawei frame and structure. And according to what is said in the video, the iPhone peels off and changes color more easily. But we'd have to wait to see a little more advanced testing. I would have liked this user, since he also had the iPhone, to do the test of throwing the two devices. But I say I would have liked it because if I had them, I don't throw them away. But according to this test, this device is very, very rugged. I'll be telling you if I come across any other tests. Remember that this series of devices was recently introduced in China. In this case, they specifically tested the Mate 70 Pro Plus. But remember that there is also the Huawei Mate 70, Huawei Mate 70 Pro, and as a special edition, Huawei Mate 70 RS Ultimate Design. It is not yet known if these devices will have global launch. What seems that it will have a global launch soon is Huawei Mate X6, since in Huawei's social networks outside China, they are already starting to publish some promotions of this product, so it is expected to have its global presentation soon. Na in